How to change alignment in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the alignment. First of all, open the application. Now you can select the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one. Now this interface will pop up. Now again, double tap on this page. So here you'll be able to see different tools that are available now. Here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Simply tap on this AA icon. Now here there are different options and tools available. Simply select on layout. Now you must slowly scroll down. Here on the last section you can see alignment. Simply select the alignment that you want to choose. So here there are only two alignments available. So here I'm selecting another one. So this will give you a different feeling and different spaces, as well as the text will move from different direction. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.